Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybroses. In today's video, we're gonna discuss about how to add bank account in Odoo 19. So let's dive into the accounting module. As you just move on to the accounting module, you can find the dashboard, and in previous versions of Odoo 19, we cannot find the new button. But right now in Odoo 19, you can see that we have the new button over here where we can create and add the bank account directly from here. But in previous versions, we know it was configuring from the configuration menu, but right now it has been revamped, which means the configuration menu is just revamped and we cannot create a bank account or add a bank account from the configuration menu. So let me click on new button from the dashboard in order to add a bank account. Upon clicking on new button, you can see we'll be getting a wizard. What type of journal do you want to add? It can be a bank, card, cash, miscellaneous journal, sales journal, or purchase journal. So let's move on to bank. As you just choose bank here, you can see you would be able to add a bank from here. So here in this case, you can find the number of banks that is available under this database. So according to your preference, you can choose the bank from here. So here you can see if you want to just connect the bank, you have to have the credits and all. And upon clicking on connect, you can see we can add that as we don't have the enterprise subscription, we are unable to connect right now here. And the other way of connecting a bank is that as you just move on to the configuration, here you can see the journals. Okay. So once the journal is created, that journal will be visible under the dashboard. And here you can see the number of journals that has been created. Now, as you just dive into the dashboard, here you can see that I have already created a journal called Cyberbanks. So here you would be able to find that, and you can connect your bank to match your invoice automatically. So you can search over 26,000 banks from here. And that is the other way you can connect the bank in Odoo 19. So if you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybroses. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.